Okay, we got this Razer MX500 off Marketplace for pretty cheap. It's pretty fine. The batteries are pretty shot on it, but I noticed that the right before the connection for the charge port, there was a bunch of electrical tape, and oh, so there's some more there. So we may have to shorten it up even more. And there was just that break there. But I started to notice that it wouldn't charge unless the cord was in just the right spot. So what I did is I took apart this port, which consisted of taking off the screws that hold, there it is right there, the screws that hold this collar on. And that goes onto there, and then you have to take one screw out of the center there. And then you can slide the center pins out of the port forwards. Mine was a little bit mangled, so I actually had to make it nice and round again so I could actually get this back out. Just tapped it on a vise until I kind of shaped it. Then I was able to pop this out, and what I found was actually one of these was completely broken off. See how that one is shorter than the rest? And there it is right there on that other wire. So now what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up. We're going to slide this all the way back past all of the damaged wire, so probably back up here, and we're going to cut, strip the wires back and then re-solder them onto this port where they're supposed to go, and then we should be good to have charging and not have the cord all wiggly and finicky. So there's another damaged wire there. Also pretty bad. So we'll slide the collar back up past that, snip it, and get some fresh leads. Okay, we've got one wire soldered on to one port. In case you're wondering, you happen to be doing this, one of these two wires has words on it. See the words? That worded wire goes to pin 2. So that's the top wire. So we bring that wire to pin 2, which is the broken one. So that's going to be the harder one. So all we got to do is get that soldered onto there, and then we can start reassembling. Slide the bushing up, slide the plug up. Come on, focus. Slide the plug up, and then we can put the collar back on, and we're good. Okay, we did it. See, we've got the two wires wired back into the correct ports. They're both on there good. Now we can slide this bushing up, and we can slide the collar up. And then there is a little indexing pin that needs to go in this slot here, which makes sure everything aligns. Slide that down. You gotta line up that screw hole with that hole. And then we can put the collar. Oh, it looks like the collar's got a flat spot, so we're gonna have to rotate that. There we go, like that. And that can go on there. All right, we're cooking with gas. Now we just gotta tighten everything down. Okay, she's all back together. No more broken wires. No more exposed wire. One thing I did have to make sure is this screw, there's two different holes in here for a screw. You gotta make sure you get the prongs all the way hidden in, which required making sure this collar was pushed up really far behind the back. So once you get that all the way in, you can get that screw in. And now we're done. So let's go ahead and plug it in, see if it worked. Okay, there we go, we're plugged in. We've got our green light. Now we can slide it in there. Boom, red light. And let's go ahead and fiddle with this wire. Solid red. Awesome, we fixed it. Repaired charge wire on the Razer MX500. This is my first Razer repair. We've got a lot of bikes in here. Sur-Ron, Aprilia RS50, cruisers, multiple cruisers, a snow bike that's fat tires with studs in them, electric 1,000-watt bike. We've got a lot of bikes in here, but I really like this little thing, and I'm getting a pro spec in about a week. So maybe I'll do some videos on that. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more electric dirt bike videos and repair videos. And give me a thumbs up if you like this, and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll catch you guys next time.